What is up and welcome to Manps on the Map and to Essence Grand Cruises here at Halong Bay. Come on in. Like, this room is legit insane. So this is a veranda suite room. It's one up from the standard room, but the views and just how modern and new this room is ridiculous. So I'm going to show you around this room. It's room 201. So let's take a look, and I am already blown away by this room. So let's start here. So this is your bathroom. And you've basically got a massive walk-in shower, which is like huge. You can probably hear the echo and just see how big it is, and it's all like modernly furnished. There's some greenery over here. We've got a nice little plant. Your toilet's down there, but it's already, as you walk in, a beautiful space. And now the sink is actually separate. So you've got your kind of separate toilet and shower room, and then you've got a separate sink area which has, you know, your classic amenities that you'd have in any hotel. And even though we're on a ship right now, it doesn't feel like it at all. Like, I can't feel that we're moving, and it just feels that you're in like a luxury hotel. And the size of this room is a perfect example. You would not guess that you're on a cruise ship. And then you've basically got a wardrobe section here. So up top, we've got some life jackets. We are on a ship, we're on a cruise. And obviously if there's an emergency, then that's why they are there. You have some space in the wardrobe, as well as his and her robes. Very glam, very elegant. There is a safe down below for your belongings, as well as some sliders. So they provide you with said slider, his and hers again. And the wardrobe has this really cool lighting. So off, on. And then you've got your coffee station with some complimentary water, as well as a mini bar down here. And with the food and drink on this cruise, so all meals are included, so breakfast, lunch and dinner. It's only drinks basically that you need to pay extra for. But being in Vietnam, the drinks really aren't that expensive. Like for a Coke here, I think it's about 40,000 dong, so just over £1, which I guess is expensive for the cruise ship, but like relative to England prices, it's not much different. Getting on with the rest of this room tour, you have this huge bed. Look how big it is. It is massive. We've got like a king size bed going on here with like tables either side, his and hers again. You've got a nice little seating area for you to just chill. And then there's a massive TV as well. We've got a huge Philips TV, another seating area here. And what makes the veranda suite stand out from one of the basic suites or the entry-level suites is the balcony, because the balcony is huge and the view is spectacular. You get insane views of Halong Bay, which is one of the most beautiful places in the world. So let's show you that view and the balcony. Shall we do the grand reveal? That is not the most glamorous, but look, I'm going to open these curtains and you can just look at that. That is the view. The view is...
Oh, we're even closer to it now.
Because you're on a ship, you're constantly moving and the view is constantly changing. So like 5 minutes ago, the view was different. And just look at this, you got the limestone cliffs in the background. You get ships and boats coming past. There's a random beach over there at the moment. And it's just insane. So let's go onto the balcony and have a closer look. So you just unscrew this and slide the door open. And this is our balcony. How good does that look? And there's enough space for 2 people just to chill and relax. And those are the views, those are the limestone cliffs. And it is just an incredible place to relax, chill, take in the beauty of Vietnam. And you can probably hear a noise here, because if you just camera lady pan over, we do have this additional boat here, and this is basically like a smaller boat that takes you to the various excursions and things. And also that's where you go from the departing port to actually get onto the ship. And that concludes this video of the veranda suite here at the Essence Grand Cruises in Vietnam. If you enjoyed the video, then please do leave a like and share. If you've got any questions about Halong Bay, visiting Vietnam or anything at all, then just DM me on Instagram or feel free to leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And of course, if you can subscribe to the channel, that would really help in supporting the channel to grow. And as always, it's been a pleasure. Till next time, peace.